Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today my special cooking class guest comes from Melbourne, Australia. Together we prepare mie goreng ayam, nasi goreng ayam, sate lilit besiak, sate ayam, sambal matah, and acar timun. Thank you so much for coming. Hope we cook together again soon. Matur suksema. Come and join with me on your next visit to my beautiful island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now, we are ready with the online cooking class too. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!